In the ultrasonic bath here, I've got some direct takeoff bearings. I just inadvertently switched it on, but these are off a LT230, R380, just straight direct takeoffs, and they're not very good bearings either. These output shafts are no-name brand, so we don't mind wasting those. So I'm going to turn it on, but I'm going to turn the sound off now because of the noise off the ultrasonic affects the video. Right, in the last session of this video I put some bearings in this ultrasonic just with water. No detergent, nothing, no diesel, nothing. Just to see what happens. Warmed it up, 2 cycles, so it was in about an hour, but I left it overnight. Now one of the bearings was off one of these gears here, the input gear, and so this was the condition before. I didn't wash it off, I didn't degrease it, I just banged it straight in. Do you want to see what it looks like? Yeah, I know you do, because this is what I was saying about these. Are you ready for this? Now I haven't set this off today, and it's been left overnight. Can you see those? Absolutely rusted up. There's been no oil, anything in them. You know, there's no oil. That's why I do them. You see, you understand why I do them in diesel, because I have actually forgotten them overnight. But look at that, all rusty. You know, this was a nice shiny bearing. Look at it. So it's something to do with the cavitation of the water. So the moral of the story is don't leave anything in the overnight. Now these are cheapy Chinese bearings, but you can see when I rub the rust off, you can see, like I'll rub off here, you can see where it's shiny and it's just the rust has just started to eat in. Must have had a bit of grease on it to protect it. Now this is the bearing that was oily. Look at it. What a mess. Yeah. So they're going in the bin. But like I said, these are a no-name, no-brand bearings, so they're good for doing experiments on. But as I say, don't leave things in your ultrasonic overnight. It don't like them. Yeah. So I learned that lesson. That's why I put them in bags of diesel and do them in diesel. Then they come up beautiful. Why not? See ya.